Hello, welcome to Healthness.
Hi, I'm Usman Hussain. My day starts with a liter of water. The first thing that I do every day, first thing in the morning. And after that, I would go and follow up with a shot of espresso because সকালে আমার কাছে মনে হয় like if I get my caffeine shot in the morning, it actually wakens up nicely and it alerts me and allows me to stay focused for the rest of the day. Usually আমি সকালে cardio করি, so cardio খালি পেটে করি, so definitely breakfast-টা cardio পরে করতে হয় and cardio usually আমি 30 to 40 minutes empty stomach করে থাকি and which really helps me যেটা আমার blood circulation বলেন সকালে first thing in the morning, then আমার muscle loosen up করতে as well as আমার metabolism-টা ঠিক করতে সকালে অনেক হেল্প করে। এটা করার পরে ডেফিনেটলি আমি গনা go for my breakfast. So breakfast usually আমার থাকে I would rather go for 8 egg whites, 8টা ডিমের সাদা। তো অনেক সময় মনে হবে যে আমি 8টা ডিমের সাদা কেন খাচ্ছি, বাট আসলে 8টা ডিমের সাদার মধ্যে যদি প্রোটিনের কি বলি not more than 20 grams actually to be honest. So 8টা ডিমের সাদা থাকে আর 2টা whole egg থাকে সকালে. With that I'll be having 40 grams of oats, which I really love. Like oats is one of my favorite carb sources that আমি সকালবেলা usually খাই, and এটার সাথে পানি add করি. I do usually add milk and maybe I'll be adding some fruits with it, which is around not more than 50 grams সকালবেলা. So breakfast পরে I make sure I take my regular vitamins and other supplements, and vitamin মধ্যে like I usually take my multivitamins, then zinc. Then I'll be going for vitamin B, which is very important for like overall metabolism and other important functions of your body. As well as I'll be taking some fish oil that really keeps my cholesterol level and my blood not getting too thick. So usually because I'm fish oil rakhi on a regular basis. Before I start my regular workout, যেটা weight training থাকে. So weight training এর আগে আমার আরেকটা meal চলে আসবে, which is my meal number 2, যেখানে I usually keep rice, and rice, not a lot of rice, but around 200 grams of rice আমার on a regular basis থাকবে ওই mealটার মধ্যে। And অনেকেরই ধারণা rice regarding rice, যে rice is something that's gonna make you fat, but for me even during my contest time, competition সময়, bodybuilding competition সময় আমার rice থাকে, so rice is not a problem, but পরিমাণটা 200 grams. It's not a lot of rice. It's very less. It's like around this much of rice. And with this, I usually have either maybe 200 grams of fish or chicken, depend on it. এক এক সময় এক একটা থাকে। রান্নার মধ্যে I don't have much. Usually it's salt and pepper, sea salt থাকে, and just pepper, and I don't use any oil while cooking my chicken or any other food. So that should be my meal number 2, which is like my lunch. After having this, I'll be hitting the gym, and I train 6 days a week usually. So যে বডি পার্টটা থাকবে ওই বডি পার্টটা আমি করি। তো বডি পার্টটা কনসিস্ট করে ভেরিয়াস সর্ট অফ ওয়ার্কআউট, বাট ইউজুয়ালি আমি দুটো বডি পার্টের বেশি একদিন করি না, একটা বডি পার্ট করি যখন এটা বেশি বড় মাসল গ্রুপ থাকে। 1.5 hour বেশি আসলে ওয়ার্কআউট মানে I'm wasting my time in the weight session, or maybe I wasted my time talking with someone else, which I try not to do. And after finishing it, I usually have a shake, like protein shake usually থাকে regular basis, and I've been doing that for last 15 years. Protein shake has always been there. Usually অনেকে গ্লুকোজ খায় or dextrose খায়, but for me I would rather take something solid. So solid খাবারে যেটা হয় যে it like helps me reduce my hunger for the rest of the day, and it also has those fructose that really helps me on my recovery plan, our post workout সময়. So after that, I'll be waiting another 1 hour before I take another meal, which is usually something similar that I mentioned, যেটা আমার লাঞ্চে ছিল। এরকমই মিল থাকবে। Probably I'll be having এখানে মিটের জায়গায় আমার হয়তো fish and চিকেনের জায়গায় I'll be having maybe some lean steak, which is cooked in a similar manner without any oil and very lean cut of steak. Probably I'll go for a sirloin or a tenderloin usually. In between, আবার আরেকটা মিলের সময় চলে আসে। So meal থাকে, no matter how busy I am, no matter where I go, I make sure that I'm eating my meals on time. So আরেকটা মিল আরো 2 ঘন্টা পর হবে, which is similar, but this time I'll not be having rice. Instead of the rice, probably I'll be adding sweet potato. So sweet potato is one of my favorite sources of another favorite sources of carb. সকালে যখন ওটস খেয়েছি এখানে আমার sweet potato থাকে, which is around 150 grams, 200 grams, depend করে আমার goal wise কি খাচ্ছি, but usually 200 grams এর মতন sweet potato থাকে, and with this I'll be having white fish such as basa, which is really great. It's really low in fat, so and it's really good when it comes to your digestion. So quickly absorb by, because I'm taking so many meals, small meals, but still meal frequency ভালো থাকে, for which you want your gut to work properly as well. And I missed out on something, যে আমার প্রত্যেকটা মিল বা দিনে at least 3টা মিলের সাথে I take this supplement, it's called digestive enzyme. So digestive enzyme এর role হচ্ছে it's made from natural food ingredients such as green papaya and those things থাকে। তো এটা overall digestive systemটাকে খুব ভালো রাখে। So whatever you're eating, your gut health really stays healthy, and it makes sure যে খাবারটা খাচ্ছি এই খাবারটা যাতে ভালো মতন absorb হয় and it's been utilized by your entire body. And in between, I almost finished my 4th meal of the day. So almost 4টা meal এখানে বলে ফেলেছি। So আরেকটা meal থাকে, আরেকটা meal which is like my dinner, and ওই ডিনারটা actually আমি বাসায় যেয়ে করি। বাসায় যেয়ে usually করার সময় যেটা হয় যে মিলগুলি নিয়ে বাসায় বসি, and I spend quality time with my family, my wife, my father, mother, and I have got few pets. ওদেরকে নিয়েও টাইম চলে যায়, and in between যেটা হয় যে খাবার টাইম, I take my meal, which is usually এখানে যেটা থাকে যে I have a carb here, because last meal I don't eat much carb. I've taken my significant source of carbohydrate from the entire day, and এই সময় যেটা usually থাকে, maybe I'll go for a salmon fillet. And asparagus আমার খুবই ভালো লাগে, it's really good for your gut health too, and keeps your stomach really tight, which is very important. It's almost like 1 or 2, so you see I need to get my sleep there as well, which is very essential. So it's so important that you at least get 8 hours of sleep at night, because without that, either you're an athlete or you're anyone else in any other profession, your brain wouldn't work optimally. So and your overall body function and অন্যান্য organ capacity বা capability would definitely full on potential থাকবে, for which is very important that you get 8 hours of sleep at night. So that wraps up my entire day that I do on a regular basis.
আমাদের ভিডিওটা শেয়ার করুন, অ্যান্ড নতুন ভিডিও পাওয়ার জন্য অবশ্যই আমাদের বেল বাটনটা চাপবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।